Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery without them knowing. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Snapchat app right here and click on the chats icon at the bottom part of your screen, and you should be able to see it, or you should be able to be on your chats page. Now, for example, I want to save this certain snap that my friend just sent me. So once I click on the conversation, it will automatically open up that new snap. Now from here, let's click on the new snap right here. Open that. And then let's scroll down to the control center and set our phone to airplane mode. So tap on the airplane icon and then click on the conversation again. So once you have opened the snap, first what we're going to do is to save that in chat. So just press and hold on that snap, click on save in chat, open up the conversation, tap on the snap, and now let's take a screenshot with our airplane mode on. Once you have taken that screenshot, let's go back to the conversation. And then what we're going to do is to uninstall the Snapchat app. So click on remove app right here. Once you have pressed and hold on that, click on delete app, click on delete once again. Now let's turn off the airplane mode and we should be connected to our Wi-Fi. Let's reinstall the Snapchat app. So we just download the Snapchat app once again. And let's open the Snapchat app. From here, let's log into the account. And let's click on the chats icon right over here and click on the conversation. And as you can see, there is no info that we screenshotted that specific snap that our friend sent us. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.